It's a 2014 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. Features include V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes the SRX has been doing some very heavy lifting for Cadillac, particularly since the Porky DTS was put out to pasture. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.